talk. Probably at the way I floss, make you feel a type of way.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Ohhbrittney. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I transformed this like basic Adidas shirt into this really cute two-piece set. So if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut a straight line right under the logo, and we're going to use the top half for like the little tube top, and then the bottom is going to be the shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a crop top that I already know fits me, and I'm going to kind of use this as like a guideline. So I'm just going to cut around it. You don't want to cut like exactly on the line because you want to make sure you have enough space to fold the hem back and sew it, and you want to make sure it still fits you when you put it on. So don't cut exactly, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah, I'm just cutting basically in like a tube top type of shape. Okay, so now we have the bottom half, and we're going to go ahead and put that aside because I'm going to use that for my shorts. So I'm going to take the top half of my little tube top, and I'm just going to start pinning down those like raw looking edges. So you're going to want to pin those in, and then you want to do that on the top and the bottom of the shirt, and you want to do it on the front and the back. So make sure that when you're pinning it, you want to make sure that they line up so that, you know, when you go to sew it, everything is straight and it's not all like jagged, you know. So that's what I'm doing. Go ahead and pin all that together. And so now I'm going to go ahead and take it over to my sewing machine, and basically everything that I just pinned down, you're going to go ahead and sew. Obviously, you know, you want to make sure you're pinning the shirt while it's inside out and not like the regular side, because then your stitch will be all on the wrong side. So you want to make sure everything is correct. But basically all I'm doing is just sewing along that little flap where I pinned over and just taking the pins out as I go. Don't stab yourself, because I did that a couple times, y'all. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and pin the front and the back of the shirt together, and you just want to make sure that you go ahead and sew the side. You see what I'm doing. So basically I'm just going back in and sewing that together. So that's just going to go ahead and put the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt together. And this is what it should look like when you are done sewing. Okay, and I didn't sew the top because I was going to do something special with that. So I grabbed me a little strap. I don't know what this is, y'all. I'm like always doing this. I think it's a book bag strap, to be honest, but I just really like that look. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pin that down to the shirt, and I'm going to go ahead and pin it all the way around till I make it back to the end where I started. Okay, you want to cut off the excess, and boom, there we go. We're going to go ahead and sew that. And I also grabbed like a little piece of, I don't know, I just wanted to sew that there too. I thought that was cute, so I did that off camera. And now we're going to go ahead and grab the bottom half of the shirt and basically do the same thing as we did on top. And we're just going to basically fold it over and pin those edges down all the way across. So this way it'll be a little bit easier because you can match it up better. But yeah, that's all you want to do is sew it down. I will pin it down and then go ahead and sew that down. I didn't record that because it's the same thing, you guys. And so you should be left with like a little hole type of situation, like an entrance, and you are going to take your elastic band and grab a safety pin, attach it to the end of the elastic band, and then start pulling it through the little entrance. You guys, it is going to take forever to pull that elastic band through. That's like my least favorite part, but it always looks so good when you're done doing that. So after like 11 centuries of doing this, you should be left with this. So you want to go ahead and sew the elastic band together, and you also want to go ahead and sew that side down. Okay, and now you should be left with like a little skirt looking thing. And basically I went ahead and measured the ends, well, the end of my skirt, and I'm going to go ahead and slit right in the middle. And I'm basically going to cut up about like 2 inches, and I'm going to turn these into shorts. Yeah, so about 2 inches, and you're just going to want to go ahead and basically just sew around that and then cut off the excess fabric if you need to do so. Okay, and now you guys, we have shorts. Oh my god. Alright, and I'm extra, so I took another little hook thingy. I'm over here just cutting up book bags, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sew that onto the side of my shorts. And basically, you guys, you are done. And this is what my outfit ended up looking like, you guys. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And feel free to leave any questions you may have down below in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial.